Hey all, I hope you're having a fantastic day today. The weather is lovely today on my side of town. It's about 75 degrees here in Jersey. Loving it, loving it. Get a quick glimpse of spring here. Hope it doesn't go away. But hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell for new notifications on new videos I upload. So today we're going to understand what and how the Nasdaq works. Do you know what NASDAQ stands for? Yes, in short terms, it means NASDAQ, but what does it mean in general? No clue, right? Neither did I when I first started out, so don't feel bad. It actually means National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotation. Obviously, NASDAQ sounds way better. The Nasdaq is the second largest stock exchange for trading securities such as buying and selling shares, and overall the largest electronic trading system. It was also the first market to trade all electronically. This means all its buying and selling are not done on an actual trading floor, but instead done electronically. Now, when a company goes public, they choose what exchange they want to be listed on. Before you can go on the Nasdaq exchange, there are fees companies have to pay before they can be listed on the Nasdaq. The basic application fee is about $25,000 as of 2020, and if successful with all the requirements, a company can expect to pay between $150,000 to $295,000 in entry fee alone. That's crazy. But hey, you want to get known, you want to be seen, and your company has that potential. Why not? It should be an easy one too for that company. The Nasdaq doesn't let just any company get listed on their exchange. You have to have a good business history reputation, good revenue, minimum share price of $3, and meet all the Nasdaq listing requirements. Once listed on the exchange, a company still have to make sure they meet all the Nasdaq requirements so they do not get delisted, meaning being removed from the exchange. When it first opened back in February of 1971, it provided automated information about the stock prices so buyers and sellers could use it on other exchanges. At the beginning, when this exchange first came out, there was no companies listed on here for trading, but now there's about more than 3,000 of the world's largest companies listed on this exchange. Most of the stocks traded on the Nasdaq exchange, represents high-tech softwares, internet, computers, and some retail companies. Some of the major stocks that traded on this exchange are Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Starbucks, and many more. Most of the time, you can tell if a stock is on a Nasdaq or on the New York Stock Exchange by its ticker symbol, also known as a stock symbol. The Nasdaq symbols are usually 4 to 5 letters, and the New York Stock Exchange is normally 3 symbols. Example of a Nasdaq symbol is Netflix, which is NFLX. There's more than $14 trillion worth of companies traded on the Nasdaq, and this exchange is more volatile than any other exchanges. The stock prices are always fluctuating either up or down every minute throughout the day, and people all over want to see what those prices are in real time. According to howstuffworks.com, the Nasdaq provides up to the minute price quotes through its computers, which can see what's happening inside the matching engine and then send that data out to the rest of the world. Buyers and sellers electronically enter their trades with their broker dealers, and those trades come into the Nasdaq system through hundreds of computers. The trades then make their way to the matching engine, which on the Nasdaq exchange is a single, highly reliable computer. It's where the actual trading takes place. The Nasdaq exchange regular trading hours are from 9:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. Eastern Time, but trading can be done outside the regular trading time, which is known as pre-market trading, While the hours do vary, they can start as early as 4 a.m. and go right up to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time when the market opens. Also, there is after hours trading, which starts at 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. All brokers have different trading after hour and pre-market trading times, so check with your broker on what those times are. All right, guys, so now you should have the basic understanding of what and how the Nasdaq work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.